Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. My name is Tbs, and in this tutorial, I'll be teaching how to make money through Google Adsense. AdSense, it's Google AdSense, or AdSense for short, is Google's monetization plan for website and owners and content publishers. And in today's video, I'll be precise. I'll be talking about how to get approved for this monetization program. So stick to the end of this video, guys, and you will see how it's easy to get Google AdSense on your website, and you can start making cool money, because it's one of the best ways to get paid if you are a website or a blogger, if you're a website owner, a blogger, or a content publisher on YouTube. So for bloggers, the first thing you need to do is to own a website. You can get a blog or a cheap domain name from namecheap.com, or you can buy shared hosting from namecheap.com, after which you set up the blog. It is usually preferable to use a simple magazine theme, and after that you again, while setting up the theme, it is usually advisable to use premium theme or free version of any premium theme, but it's not advisable at all to use any node or cracked theme. The reason is that you might get hacked. Your site might be um, your site will be prone to attacks and viruses. So the best thing is to just buy a cheap theme from maybe Team Forest or anywhere. It's usually around $59. You can just get one for yourself, and you enjoy it for a very long time, and you can easily get that. Then secondly, you need to set up the blog. You need to add some very important pages, like your about us, your contact us, and privacy policy pages. These pages are very important, because they show a user what your site is about, how they can easily reach you, and your terms and conditions. So Google usually likes their partners to have these important pages on their website. Then during writing your content or articles, you should not it's not a stated rule, or it's just in my own opinion, I feel you should write at least 700 words articles. You can get like 35-40 content on a particular niche. It is very easier to get approval when you are focusing on a particular niche. Don't go and write on different niches in one particular blog. It doesn't make sense. So that Google will know that if they want to advertise with you, you are servicing this particular kind of people. So this is the type of ad you'll be serving on your site. So once it is very simple and straightforward like that, Google will definitely approve your site for monetization. Then again, it is not advisable to copy and paste other people's content. That is a very big offense. It is plagiarism, and it's not acceptable anywhere. So the best thing is to write your own content yourself, do your proper keyword research yourself, and at the end of the day, you get a very nice content that is very okay, and that will be easy to rank. Then after that, you make sure you do your on-page search engine optimization, the on-page SEO, the submission of sitemaps on Google Search Console, GSC, um, proper H1, H2, H3 tags, that's using the proper head titles, subtitles, and the rest your content, and make sure you are using original. Make sure you are using your own written, handwritten, or typed content. Don't copy other people's content. So, guys, that is that about this, and I hope this is just like an introduction on how you can make money from your website. So in my subsequent videos, I'll be teaching you how. I'll start from the first, how to get a domain from Namecheap. What type of domain do you need? What type of niche do you need to go into? I'll be teaching you all the basic researches, and so I'll be teaching you that in my next video. And in subsequent videos, I'll also be sharing you how to set up a blog, how to install a theme, how to connect your domain to your hosting, all those technical parts. It is not difficult. It's something very simple and straightforward. You just need to follow the procedures. So, and I'll also be teaching you how to get your site in order, the type of themes that will be okay for your site depending on the niche you want to go into. And I'll be telling you, I'll be teaching you how to do your proper keyword analysis before you start writing. It is usually easier to rank on articles that are keyword focused. And again, there is also what they call keyword stuffing, which is very bad. It's just like trying to uh, trick Google to rank your particular post because you use too much of the keywords, and at the long run Google can penalize your site for that if you are fond of doing such. So it is not advisable. I will teach you the best search engine optimization methods that work on every new blog, and at the end of the day you're making huge money from your website. You make $10,000s monthly. You can make depending on how serious you are, how committed and how consistent you are with your blogs. And one thing with blogging that I've noticed is that consistency pays more than hard work. Yes, consistency. Once you can be consistent with your method, it will definitely work out very fast for you. So that is it, guys. I would really appreciate if you can subscribe to my channel so that when these other videos I talked about will be dropping, you'll be getting the notification immediately and you follow up immediately. Again, don't forget to take action. Anything you listening to today, just try and do one or two researches on yourself, on your own, and um, jot some things down and see how you get ready for our next video. I'll be dropping it before weekend, so you need to just get ready for the other videos and you'll be making cool money from blogging like we do already. So thank you for sticking around, and this is T-Based Money Tips channel. I hope you've learned how to make money in this particular video, and I hope to see you again in my next video. So thank you very much, guys, and have a wonderful week ahead.